Most people think they're using AI effectively, but in reality, almost everybody falls into one of three different patterns or modes, what I'd like to call Aladdin mode, Achilles mode, and Industrialist mode. Let me explain. Now, beginners often use AI in what I call Aladdin mode. That is, you ask AI to do things for you that you don't know how to do, or you ask AI for answers about things that you know nothing about. You bring home Chinese takeout and you ask AI, can I microwave this takeout box? Or perhaps your knee hurts and you ask AI, what is wrong with my knee? Or maybe you're a student and you want an essay written on a topic you've never studied for. When you use AI in Aladdin mode, AI is your genie. You're asking it to grant you a wish. The only trouble is, because it's doing something you know nothing about or haven't made an effort to try to understand, you're not in a position to judge whether it's right or wrong. You have no idea whether the work is good or bad, and if AI hallucinates or gets things wrong, you're basically screwed. Which brings us to the second type of AI user, the Achilles type. When using AI in Achilles mode, you, the user, are knowledgeable about what you do. In many cases, you might actually be doing the bulk of the work yourself. But you need a sparring partner to bounce ideas off of, somebody to critique your work and give you constructive feedback, somebody to suggest alternative views and play the devil's advocate, somebody to play the role of a peer reviewer. You're using AI in Achilles mode when you ask AI to check your writing, for example, for grammar, for logic, or for clarity and style. Academics often use AI in this way. They upload reference papers and then ask AI to review their writing based on the work of other specialists. AI becomes a peer reviewer. Now, when you use AI in this way, the work isn't once and done. You accept some feedback and push back on others. There's a lengthy back and forth that improves your work over time. AI helps with quality control. It gives you a second set of eyes and helps you see what you would otherwise miss. You are mighty Achilles, but AI helps to identify your weak spots and make you stronger. The third type of AI user is the industrialist. This is the knowledgeable user who uses AI to scale his work. He teaches AI to do what he does, but to do it faster, more consistently, and at a larger scale. Now imagine I want to write a recommendation letter for a student. Normally, I would look up what classes the student has taken with me, in which semester, what grades did the student receive, what papers did he write, what presentations did he give, what were my comments on each paper, what comments did I give him for his presentations. And based on this information, I write a personalized recommendation. Now imagine if I were to store all of this information in a structured database. The classes, the dates, the papers, the comments, the presentations, in a database with information for every student. I can then give AI the database and a sample letter, and ask AI to generate a letter for every student in a matter of minutes. AI can do in minutes what it takes me days to complete. But that's not the end of it. After AI produces the initial draft, I then tweak the letter. Maybe I want the letter to be stronger or weaker. Maybe I want to write more about this presentation, but less about that one. Maybe AI invented something that isn't true. I can make the fixes myself, or ask AI to generate a revised version. Now AI doesn't replace me, it multiplies me. AI is a force multiplier. To give another example, let's say I need to write an author bio, which I'm very happy to write, but some publishers ask for 500 words, others 200 words. For an academic journal, the bio needs to sound scholarly. For my Amazon author page, the bio needs to feel warm and approachable. For my YouTube channel, the bio needs to grab attention and be optimized for search. These adjustments in length and tone can be done by AI in a snap. I just have to provide the original draft and tweak AI's output in every instance to make sure it is what I want. And I, of course, have to know what I want in order to make the best use of AI. To recap, you use AI in Aladdin mode when you ask AI to do something that you don't know how to do. You use AI in Achilles mode when you use AI to improve what you've already done. And you use AI in Industrialist mode when you use AI to scale what you're doing. A lot of people use AI in Aladdin mode only, and that's a big mistake, because if all you can do is ask AI for answers, you're not competing with industry professionals, you're competing with anybody who knows how to write a prompt. What is more useful is the ability to contextualize the information and the ability to integrate the output into practical settings. And that requires shifting into Achilles mode, where, because you have done the work before, you are capable of evaluating the quality of AI's output. And that is the key, really. If you want your AI skills to be of use in the workplace, you have to, at the very minimum, have the ability to evaluate AI outputs, and even better, to scale this ability to higher levels. So ask yourself, what mode are you in? Aladdin mode, Achilles mode, or Industrialist mode? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.